Hello, friends. So this is my one of the first technical videos, and on the first video, I'm going to explain the operating system, very basic things about the computer. There is something called operating system, and I'll explain this and its functioning and types. So we all have been through the terms like Windows, XP, and something like Vista, and then Ubuntu. So these are the operating systems, and what it basically means is one person is there, like I am here, and I am a computer user, and there are the other computer hardware things are there, like keyboard is there, screen is there, CPU is there. So I'm computer user and computer hardware. There is something to be interact. There is something which makes us interact, and that is operating system. So operating system is a kind of software platform. There is a software platform which is there to run the applications. So this is called operating systems. There is something like middleman between vaguely we can say that is software and hardware. That is again the operating system. That means operating system. So I hope. Then the other thing is like there are many types of operating system is there. Like one of them is Windows operating system, like Windows XP, one of the earlier versions in around 2000, and which has been now totally vanished from the market. And then there is Vista, useless version, one of the, and Windows 7, and the latest one is Windows 10 version. And after the in the Windows 10, and this is owned by the company Microsoft. Microsoft Corporation. So Microsoft runs all this business, and from the 1985 it is been distributed, started this company, and started in the area of operating system. So this is basically GUI, graphical user interface operating system, in which we can graphically do all the things. If we're not doing the coding or something like that, we don't need the command prompt, that is command based operations. So it is mainly graphical user interface. And then there is something Mac OS, and Mac OS is owned by the Apple. Macintosh Macintosh operating system, Apple Macintosh operating system, one of the uh, showy things available in the market is Apple Macintosh. Similar thing almost, but far better quality. And this is also GUI, very less command-based actions are there. Then there is something called Linux, which I am using right now. Linux-based operating system is open source, and it is managed by some community that is all over the world, and they are providing the operating system. The examples may be the Ubuntu and Mint based operating systems are Mint OS, Mint based operating systems are there. This is one of the fastest and strong operating system, that is strong against the viruses, and very rare viruses can penetrate this system. The basic functionality meaning it uses many permission operations, which that's why virus cannot penetrate this Linux that much easily. Then there is the Unix. Unix operating system is the operating system on which Linux is based, and Linux is not generally run by the small computers. It is mainly uh, used by the large universities, and the backend operations they are maintained by the Unix. So Unix operating system is there. Then there are the major functionalities of the operating system. There are many major functionalities, but the major ones are like file management is there, where we use the files like txt files are there, .php file is there, and like .dmg files are there. These all kind of files are managed with the file manager, and then the permissions are there, like the super user or the admin user can use the whole computer, but the guest user cannot access the admin user file. Guest user cannot access the admin user's file, and their permissions must be there. So that are managed by the file manager. Then second one is the device management, that is done by the device manager. There are printers, scanners, keyboards, and like USB stick is there. So these are managed by the device manager. So all the devices are connected and the output monitors are there, that is used by the device manager. And third one is our file manager is done. Then the network manager is there, which handles of the network operations, like the Wi-Fi operation is there, Bluetooth operation is there, which is mainly regarding the sharing of hardware or software of this system. Then there is process management is there, which where processes are management, like we are doing one of the typing process or the other process is going on. So these all processes must go through smoothly. That is CPU, maybe central processing unit, maybe managing these kind of processes. This process management. Last one is memory management is there, that is RAM, and there is ROM. RAM mainly does the random access memory. ROM is read-only memory. Random access memory is like we are doing operations. One memory is being allocated for the current going operation. Then we open another window of the Google or another window of Firefox. We just and the computer allocate the RAM memory, random access memory, to the other operation that's going on. Mainly the memory is being allocated randomly. And there is last one is ROM, that is read only memory, that is being run at the booting time. Whenever the computer boots up, the the similar process goes on every time. So ROM reads the similar process and make our computer bootable. So I hope that all the operating system types of operating system and major functioning of the operating system is clear. And after that, I'll be uploading many videos in the core PHP or JavaScript and all the functionalities relating to them. So subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, and this will prompt me to make more videos and share my knowledge. Thank you.